Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to Captain Critter RC. Welcome back to another beautiful sunrise Sunday. And as you guys can see, look around, take it in. I'm on the backside of all of this construction site. For a quick reference, you saw me turn around back there. That sand pile you guys seen the last couple videos, if you look at the tree line right over there next to the freeway, that's where I was at. So now I'm way back here, and look, all the way back there, all the way up to the hill. Oh yeah. And anybody, if you're ever familiar with the area, that's Lagoon Valley right there. They've got an RC track and a plane track right over there. I don't go there though. I'm not cool enough to go to that track. Alright y'all, but yeah, we got the MT8 out today. You know, good old trusty, rusty, old faithful. You know, this truck hardly ever lets me down. And when it does let me down nowadays, it's just one of these. But I've already come prepared. I brought 3 of them. I even brought a few extra little odds and ends. Got some hubs, some casters, some rear hubs. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to bash the hell out of this truck today. And as you see, I've got all the room for activities here today. All the room. So yeah, like I said, MT8 out. We're going to have fun. This intro is pretty short and sweet. I'm excited to be here today. I'm on the very, very back side. And I'm going to have a little bit of fun, see what type of shenanigans I can get into. So y'all stay tuned. Be right back. We're going to get bashing, y'all. And yes, I did bring the ramps. I got to get them out of the back seat and go set them up. But yes, I did bring them. See y'all soon. First, we got to warm the car up with a little bit of jumps. Now, I'm not going to bring the jumps that far back yet, because I don't know what's over there. I need to explore the roads, see how well it is to travel. You know, all the good stuff, right? Oh, this MT8, you guys. This MT8. This thing is just the best. The absolute best. Too bad I am not. I suck. Hey, hosers. What you guys doing? Alright, y'all take care now. Have a safe flight. Whoopsie. Uh-oh, am I going to get in trouble? Oh, okay, no, they're going to the airstrip. See, and I've just, I'm right up by the street. You know, there's a main street right over there on the other side of this dirt hill. And then there's a main street right over there that goes that way. So I'm not really too far deep into it. I am in the middle of these 2 complexes. But again, you know, I'm trying to go into the depth of this facility slowly. You know, it's a new complex. I've never been here. Nobody here knows me. And it's just better to be safe. Oh, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Oh, I love this truck, y'all. Let's see what happens if I just hit the bank. Not much. Oh man, they got a bunch of flyers out today. That's cool, y'all. I'm not a flyer. I'm a basher. Alright y'all, I'm going to do some walking down here and see what type of fun we can have over here. Be right back. Dang y'all, I should have brought that jump with me. I didn't want to carry it this far. For reference, see the tractor? If you look right behind the tractor, you might be able to see the very top of my car. Man, oh my God, Lord, you guys, look at this. Look at all of this room for activities, you guys. So much room for activities. Oh, yes. Fucking scores. Let's hit this rise real quick and see how it is. Rise, terrace, whatever y'all want to call it. Come on, Lou MTA, show us. Woo! Ooh, she flew nice, y'all. Let's see what this one's like. Too much hump on the bottom, y'all. Let's see this one. Oof. Definitely too much on the bottom. You come back over here, y'all. Come on. There we go. We're good. Back on the wheels. See, the MTA don't carry, y'all. Come on, there we go. We're good, we're good. I just love this truck so much, you guys. I cannot tell you guys. Oh, this thing just flies so nice. All right, y'all. I'm convinced I need to bring the jump over here. I need to put the jump right here. No doubt in my mind about that. So it's going to be a real quick segment for y'all, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. I got the jumps. I got my extra battery. Now I'm walking back all the way over here. See, look, here's the tractor. There's my car down yonder. But look at this. Sun's about to peak right over them hills. It's gonna be gorgeous, y'all. It's gonna be gorgeous. Love me a beautiful sunrise. I mean, how can you not enjoy a sunrise out here? Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful little foothill. And soon, there's gonna be a bunch of houses right here. Just taking up all this beauty. Looking like shit. That's why if you're ever out and about, enjoy nature while you can. 'Cause you never know when all these idiots are gonna move in and take over your little slice of paradise. Oh, I got a diff clicking. Ah, that was dangerous. Danger! Carnage today, you guys, jeez. I don't think that's a diff clicking. I got a bearing going out. Oh, wasn't paying attention. Where'd it go? Oh, you little bastard. Get back up here. Ooh. Gotta fix that body real quick. The MTA loves it. Just eats this stuff all day. Oh, that was nasty. Oh, there's LVC, y'all. Good Lord, this thing flies beautifully, y'all. You know what, I bet you that's what it was. Oh yeah, that fucker's hot. 100% that's what it was. Okay. Got the Traxxas plug too hot. I got an adapter for a TRX to an EC5. Let's see. That plug is fucking hot. Alright. Alright, y'all. it is officially this. It's the connector or this, one of the two. It wouldn't fire up with this battery, and this LiPo is dead. This is the battery I just had when I hit LVC. I had to throw a new adapter on it, see? It's good to go. I was just an idiot being lazy and running these adapters instead of doing these plugs into EC5s like I should. The reason why you guys shouldn't do it, these TRX plugs, they're janky. They don't last very well. And the EC5s, they last a little bit longer. They're a bit more durable. They can handle more amps. They can handle more heat. They're just all around better. And I was lazy, just flat out lazy. And I was using the adapters. And now I'm paying the price because I can't go finish this battery. This battery is only at 60%. I've only used 40% of it. But unfortunately, I got to go. It's about 8 o'clock. I got to hit the road. I done found myself a trail so I could move the car all the way up over here so it's easy to unload, or excuse me, easy to load back up. And that's going to be it for today's video. Yeah, as you can see, it's still running, still doing just fine. No problemo. ESC's fine. I got to stop running these. I got to get the EC5. In fact, what I'm probably going to do, since I'm only running this on 4S, is I'm going to ditch this whole double plug. I'm going to ditch this entirely, and then I'm going to go with just one EC5. I don't need anything else. I'm officially at the point where I believe this truck should only be on 4S. I don't want to run it on 6S. I really enjoy it on 4S. It's very controlled. It's light. It's maneuverable. It doesn't do anything skinny wampus, and with the excess weight of the 6S battery removed by running 4S, and the combination, of course, the Red Cat and the armor parts, this car lasts all the time. It's not as abused. So I personally think this car is best suited for 4S application, not 6S. You can run 6S if you want to show off and you want to break everything all the time and then be like everybody else and say, oh, the Team Associated sucks, it's not a reliable car. This is a reliable car. Y'all need to figure it out. Not everything needs to have 30 times as much horsepower and torque as you want it to have. This thing on 6S is just uncontrollable. It's not usable on 6S. On 4S, it's very well controlled. I have all the power I need. I have all the air control I need. The thing will do wheelies on command. It will do all the front flips you want. It'll do anything you want. This poor truck just gets a bad rap on YouTube because a few YouTubers in the UK and overseas who can't get Red Cat parts had bad experience with it. Yeah, when I first got it, dude, the thing broke. But I knew it was going to break. So what did I do when I ordered this? I ordered Red Cat arms and Red Cat hubs, Red Cat front hubs and knuckles. Ordered that first thing right off the bat. It was like 60 bucks to get all that stuff. And the car lasted a while. Then I ran into turnbuckle issues. Got some Arrma 5mm turnbuckles for not only the cambers, but also the steering toe links. Haven't had a camber link issue once yet, except these upper ones. Except the upper ones. This is the last problem I have in this car right now. Is these. I don't know if I want to do aluminum versions of these yet, because Red Cat makes these in aluminum. And there's been some people that say, oh, you need to get all the aluminum Red Cat stuff, including the aluminum hubs and da-da-da. No, you don't need that. Look at what my cars go through. I got all the plastic stuff. It's all Red Cat plastic stuff, and it lasts great, lasts a long time. Love it, absolutely love it. But these are the last weak link on this. But I'm nervous if I replace these with aluminum and make them so stiff, I'm going to start breaking bulkheads more often. So I don't know yet. I'm still undecided on that. But yeah, like I said, that's going to do it for today's Sunrise Sunday. You can see the sun has risen. The sun is above the mountain. And on that note, it is a beautiful day. You guys have yourself a wonderful week. Y'all try not to be too stressed. Stay blessed. And I'll catch y'all next Friday for a Build and Babble. Captain Could've, over and out, y'all.